Excuse me. Hey, can I ask for your help on a film project? I guess, sure. Cool. So, what do you think about the library? The library is like a good place for people to work. It's nice and usually silent.
Sure.
Why are you here studying so late?
I don't have very good time management skills, so I am now writing an essay that's due in 8 hours.
I have midterm tomorrow. Afternoon is like...
How long was that?
5 hours at least.
I'm feeling kind of numb. I'm too tired to feel anything.
Do you think the library's any different during the night than the day?
It's almost like... It's definitely nicer at night, I think, because there aren't a lot of people here and I prefer to work in isolation.
I think it's more lonely.
Yeah, definitely. Time kind of is less of a concept.
During the day, I think it's more active, but during the night, it's like kind of dead.
It feels more spacious. It's colder as well. I think people can focus better. Yeah, than it.
There's vending machine, also really cute.
Yeah, I think we go.
Yeah. But there's like a printer there, and you can like send it where else in that printer.
But when it's later at night, it's more of a... I don't know how to say isolated place, because I don't mean that in terms of me being by myself, but isolated in terms of like from the rest of the world entirely.
I have so much work to do tomorrow that I need to get this done. So sleep is secondary right now.
Oh, I think I get the privacy and you're not close to your bed. You wouldn't be tempted to sleep, maybe.
I think it's a pretty good place, better than my room, because I would just go straight to bed.
But as far as getting my work done tomorrow, I won't be able to stay awake if I don't sleep. So we're just gonna see what happens. When I finish is when I finish, and I will sleep for however many hours are left.